I'm a scientist, so I'm going to talk a little bit about the problems that are happening in science and how intellectual diversity is implicated. So the most important thing, I think, is on the intake. So we just heard from Eric about affirmative action for conservatives. I don't think I would go there, but I would try to dismantle the systems that are preventing conservatives from participating in the scientific pursuit. And so one thing we heard about this morning is DEI statements, and these are sort of ideological tests that are screening out people. There was a study cited on this panel about willingness to discriminate against conservatives. That's, I think the study that was referenced is by Eric Kaufman, but faculty will openly admit in surveys that they will discriminate against conservatives in hiring, and that they refuse to have lunch with someone who is pro-life or voted for Trump or associate with them in any way, for example. And then this sort of continues down the line with things. So if someone comes out with heterodox opinions, then they'll be disinvited from giving seminars. They'll be have trouble getting tenure, and people won't collaborate with them. It becomes difficult to get grants. So these are sort of the ways that this starts to affect the scientific pursuit. Eventually, it can lead to corruption of the science itself. So I've recently seen a seminar on decolonial feminist science. And what that means is you apply the scientific method, but if it leads to a conclusion that's inconsistent with feminist or decolonialist theory, then that negates the scientific method. And so that's a pretty basic corruption of the scientific process, and that's becoming popular now.